We're going to take a look at bamboo charcoal air purifier bags I got from Amazon. So here's the bag itself. Widely used, perfect for any place. 100% natural bamboo charcoal. Odor removal, got that for shoes. We'll test it out on my shoe. Echo It. Favorite brand. Absorbs moisture, 100% charcoal, after that. It's like shower, refrigerator, car, shoe, bag, purses, box. Back, open it up, tested it, and it works great. Link in the description below. Like and subscribe, and if you use my affiliate link, it will help me a lot. Let's see, effective, versatile, bamboo, usable for 2 years, okay? We're going to open this up and let's see what it looks like. Eco-friendly, customer support. Yeah, let me try it. So yeah, let's take a look. Two of those. One big one. Orange, small, blues. I wonder if you could just leave this in the fridge, does that work? And it comes with string and a paper. And that is it. So let's take a look. Clevast gift. There it is. So yeah. So here's a shoe I got. 24 EU or 8x5 US. 8.5 US. So here's a small one. Slides in nicely. The big ones sort of doesn't really fit. Fits like that if you want. Looks like strings. Looks like you can fit 2 of these. So yeah, let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Let's open up this one. Here's the bag itself. Thickness, bamboo charcoal bag. Let's open it up. Let's see. How do I? There it is. There's the bamboo charcoal. Let's open up this one. And that's it. The string is string, I think. Like and subscribe if you guys can. String is like that. So you could hang it. Yay. Okay, sorry. Let's open the charcoal. Watch is gonna spill everywhere. Oh, my fairy godmother. It's pretty dark in there. There it is. And this is open up there. They don't spill. I don't want charcoal everywhere. Wow. So yeah, it is charcoal. It looks like it could burn. Probably gonna use this in camping or something. There it is. Sorry about that. Wrong camera. Yep. City. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I used it already in one of my shoes, and oh my gosh, my shoes smell. And I put a big one in there. I just slide it in there like this. And oh my gosh, it's like perfect. It stops smelling right after. It's like maybe after a couple hours. So just put it in overnight when you get home after work, and then boom, done. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys.